Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create book cover designs using AI. So first of all we will have to create an image where I will be using Playground AI where you can use any other image generator like Blue Willow and Midjourney etc. So now we're going to open our browser, go to Playground AI, hit enter, now go to Playground AI. Now once you're here, first you'll have to create yourself an account using Gmail, and once you're done with that part, click on this button besides the create button and click on a board. Now once you're here, we're going to change some settings. For example, the model I will be using is the Stable Diffusion XL. The image dimension will be set to 1024 x 1024. The prompt guidance will be at 10, while the coordinate details will be left at 50. The seed will be randomized. The sampler we'll be using is the K Euler ancestral one. The number of images will be set to 4 and the private sessions will be enabled. Now the filter I will be using is the ultra lighting one. Now the next step is to simply type in a prompt, and for that purpose I will be using ChatGPT to give me a detailed prompt. Open a new tab, go to ChatGPT. Now we're going to command ChatGPT to give us a detailed prompt for the creation of our image. Give a detailed prompt for an image consistent of a young man facing of a dragon on a cliff and a single frame. So here as you can see, ChatGPT has provided me with a pretty detailed prompt for the creation of my image. I'm just gonna copy all this. So now copy this up, go back to Playground AI and just paste it here. And the next step is to just simply click on generate. So here as you can see, it has provided me with 4 pictures according to my prompt. But I quite like this one, so I'm just gonna click on this button and click on download. Now in the next step, open up a photo editor. Well, I will be using Photoshop, and you can also use Photopea or Canva. Now once you're in the Photoshop, click on create new. Now once you're here, we're going to create ourselves a vertical canvas of 2813 x 4500 pixels. Now after that, just click on create. Now after the canvas has been created, move the image into the Photoshop. Dragon. Now after that, adjust the image according to the canvas. Just move it a bit here, just like that. Now once the image has been resized, click on this image button, go to adjustments and click on HDR toning. Now if you like this type of photos, you can click on OK and it will be made like this. Well, I personally like this flat type of photos. It adds a decent touch to the picture. And you can also change these settings to get the desired result. Just hit OK. Now the next step is to just simply put in a text. Now I want to remove this cliff as I want my text to be on the left side rather than in the middle of the photo. So I'm just going to use the spot healing brush tool and just remove this cliff, this part of the cliff. I'm just going to remove a little bit more. Now after the cliff has been removed, we're going to put in the text. Well, the font I will be using is the Cinzel decorative one. Now just select that area that you want to put the text in. I'm just going to name it, let's say, the dragons. I'm just going to extend it a bit. It's world. I'm just going to move the world a bit to the middle. I'm going to do the same with the. You can also change the text size and color according to your needs and desires. Now after that is done, on this tick bar. Now we're going to move the title text so that it fits the place perfectly. I'm just gonna place it just below the sun. Now we're gonna put in the author's name. Like, just select that area below. I'm just gonna name it like, let's say, J. Dot Vela. Hit enter. Now move the author's name to your desirable place as well. I'm just gonna move it a bit here. Now after the text part is done, your book cover is ready and you can just save it from Photoshop and use it as your book cover. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can create a book cover design using AI. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.